Hello class 10 students, welcome to my channel. We are studying chapter number 6 life processes these days, and I have already spoken about what are we to study in this chapter, what are the names of 4 organ systems, what is the difference between unicellular and multicellular in their complexity, nutrition, what is it, and the types of it. If you haven't watched the initial videos of chapter number 6, don't forget to watch them. Now we have to talk about nutrition in amoeba and nutrition in paramecium in this video. Now both amoeba and paramecium, they fall in the category of unicellular organisms. When I say unicellular, it must be clear to you that they contain just a cell. So that cell has to do all the functions that are required for living, digestion, respiration, circulation, etc. Now, when I am talking about nutrition, then we will talk about only one system here in the video, right? So, amoeba, it is an example of a protozoa, and we can make amoeba of any shape, right? In grade 9th, we studied a chapter called diversity in living organisms, and in that we studied that amoeba falls in the category of a protozoan. It has unicellular nature, means it has just a cell, and that cell will function to derive nutrition also. So how it derives nutrition? It derives nutrition by the process of phagocytosis. Now what is phagocytosis? Phagocytosis is a process of taking the solid food in. Now here, suppose amoeba has got the food vacuole near it. Now what is it going to do? Amoeba will extend the false foot, which is known as pseudopodia, and these pseudopodia will help the amoeba to take this food vacuole in. So in the third step, it is going to get in, and this food vacuole will be getting digested inside, right? So phagocytosis is a process of taking the solid food inside in the form of a vacuole. You have seen that when food vacuole was near, pseudopodia or false foot was being extended by amoeba, and ultimately the food vacuole goes in. Now as over a period of time, this will be getting digested, and the leftover food will be excreted out by amoeba, right? So food goes in through phagocytosis, and by the help of exocytosis, it goes outside. So no complex digestive system is present in the amoeba. It is unicellular, and that one cell helps in taking the food vacuole inside by the process of phagocytosis. So if a question comes on how amoeba derives its nutrition, you need to say about phagocytosis. The diagram, same diagram has been given in your NCERT also. Now amoeba and paramecium, they both fall in the category of protozoan. They both are unicellular, but the mode of nutrition is quite different. If you see the structure of paramecium, it looks like a sleeper, right? And this is the mouth of paramecium. Okay, you can see that I have made just a cell. So that is how paramecium is. Now this food vacuole, suppose a food vacuole is there outside, it goes inside the mouth, and paramecium resides in the water. So with flowing water, food goes inside. Now here in the paramecium, throughout the inner side, we have a part which is known as cytoplasm. And cytoplasm continuously shows movement, right? So movement of cytoplasm is known as cyclosis. Now, as the food vacuole is there and the cytoplasm is continuously moving, then what happens? The food vacuole continuously moves. And while moving, the digestion of it happens. Now, as it comes to the backward end, its size decreases, right? And ultimately, it is left with leftover material. Now, there is only one place of entry and one place of exit. I mean, the common entry is there. So, the place from where the food vacuole initially entered, from the same position the food vacuole will go out, right? So, in Paramecium, basic digestion happens by the process of cyclosis, and this cyclosis refers to the movement of the cytoplasm. As the food vacuole gets trapped inside, it moves from anterior to posterior end. Anterior end is this end which is at front, okay, and posterior end is the one which is at the back. This is posterior end. So as food vacuole moves from anterior to posterior end, the food inside the vacuole gets digested and the leftover food in the vacuole moves out through the same place where it entered. So amoeba and paramecium, being unicellular, they still show the differences in their nutrition. I hope this is understood by everyone. Now in this video, we have a question for you, and that is, name one term through which amoeba derives its nutrition. You can write the answer of this question in the chat. I will definitely respond by giving you a feedback on your answer, and your name will be taken in the upcoming video. Stay tuned to have more learning videos like this. We will be starting with nutrition in human beings in the upcoming video. If you have liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Do consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon too. Happy learning!